In this question, they're asking us to sketch the level curves or the contour lines of the function z equals x squared plus y for the different levels c equals 0, c equals 2, and c equals -3. So you have to imagine that this function z is maybe like a height, like the height of a mountain, where if I give you my x coordinate, my y coordinate, I can calculate what the height of the mountain is there. And so the idea behind this this kind of idea of level curves and contour lines is what we're going to do is to kind of have an understanding of what this this function looks like, what this mountain looks like. We're going to slice it at different levels. We're going to slice it at the level 0, slice it at the level 2, and slice it at the level 3, and see what those slices look like. And that'll kind of give us an idea of what this mountain might look like. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually set our height to be 0 in the first case. So if our first level is the level 0, we're going to set our height, namely z, to be 0, and that gives us 0 equals x squared plus y. And if I rearrange that, what I can find is that y equals negative x squared, or negative x squared, which is a parabola with vertex 0, 0 opening downwards. What this means is that if I took this mountain, this mountain of shape x squared plus y, and I sliced it at the height 0, what that slice would look like is a parabola opening downwards. So we can do the same thing with the next height that they gave us, which is a height of c equals 2. So we're going to fix the height at 2, so z equals 2, and everything else is the same. Rearrange this, and we get y equals negative x squared plus 2. So this is a parabola with vertex 0, 0 opening downwards. Sorry, not 0, 0. A parabola opening downwards that has been shifted up 2 units. So the vertex is at 0, 2. So what this means then is if we slice the mountain at height 2, the slice would look like this parabola here. And finally, if we set the height equal to -3, let's set our z to -3. Everything else is the same. If we rearrange this, what we get is y is equal to negative x squared minus 3. And this is a parabola opening downwards with a vertex 0, -3, because it's been shifted down -3 units. So now what we have to do is we have to plot these three curves, these three parabolas. I've done that elsewhere, and so I'll just kind of bring them in and shrink it down so we can kind of see what's going on here. So as you can see, these curves, if you sketch them, look like 3 different parabolas for the 3 different heights. Just get it, switch it out here. So at the height z equals 0, if you take the slice at z equals 0, what you would get is the mountain would look like a parabola with vertex 0, 0. If you take the slice at c equals 2, so a height of 2, what you get is a parabola that's been shifted up by 2. And if you took the slice at the height z equals -3, what you would get is a parabola that's been shifted down 3 units. So these are the contour lines of the function x squared plus y at these 3 levels.